over there. Justin! Say hey! Alright! Brian's over here. Okay guys, we have Ferdinand over here, my dad over here. Me too, girl. But they're keeping up with my grandpa.
He's trying to back away. Jenny,
Huh?
remember last time when Justin said he touched the chicken foot
Huh?
and it was actually a crab?
Agárrenlo, que ratero.
Lo del medio está hondo entonces. Look at my grandma, guys. She's over here swimming. Then my mom. And then my grandpa's over there. Bear over there. I'm over here swimming. This is I think. And then my dad's over there. Well, yeah. Right there. A ver la de abajo. He's gonna swim in the bottom, guys.
Something happened to my knee.
Look at my grandpa over there. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Sí? Pues es que tiene cloro y así. And then it has this little bridge right here then. Oh, that. Ay, esas dos. Look at my grandpa over there. Abuelo, di hola. Ay. Fred's over here with mom. Fred, swim abajo. Guys, so let me show you my outfit. So this is a true top and then shorts and then my Crocs so it can match. So yeah. And then that's the fair over there. My grandma's over here. and they're taking pictures. Okay guys, so we just went and eat breakfast. We had sausage, egg, bread, cereal, what are they? I forgot. And yogurt. And then it's Fernanda's birthday today, so we want to record her for her birthday. She got a shirt with Stitch. And we're going to the beach in a minute. And they're here. Oh, fuck!
Okay, guys. So we're currently at Myrtle Beach. Y'all can see. So today we're gonna be looking for a shark. A whale-like shark. And we're here. It's super cold right now. Hopefully we don't get bit by no shark. Because they've been saying rumors sharks are in the ocean.
No, that's
Oh,
what they
hell. But today, guys, we're gonna go shopping, spend some money, and get that puppy bag. Here, Annie.
Okay. Ay, ya se me atrevió mi ojo. Fuck. Woo! Okay. Brian Justin's over there. Oh my god! Oh. No. Oi.
They really be hitting hard.
Oh fuck! Guys, we came in deeper with Justin. Well, kind of with Justin. Oh my god. Brian's over there. Oh fuck. They're all the way over there, right there. Oh yeah. On the top right. Justin and my grandma's in the jacuzzi here. We're going to the Lazy River over there where Brian's at. I don't know. And Ferris over there. My dad's, oh shit. No, never mind. Yeah, they're right there. Fernanda's over there. My dad's over there. We're gonna get one of these so we could be in it. And then my mom's coming over here and I'll take my grandpa. I'm getting I feel like these are bigger. Okay, hold up. Alright, so we're here at the Lazy River, guys. Look. Oh my god. Oh. Heck yeah. Oh. Grandpa's over there. Grandma's over there. They go to the jacuzzi. Then we will cross this bridge in a minute. Oh boy. It's so pretty. We see Justin over here. Okay. Bro, look at my mom. Ya te dije. Look guys, it's so pretty. Let me see if I can make, oh. Okay, let me see if I can make it lighter. So pretty. With the water, but she can't.
Now you're trying to dunk me. You're drowning. Hurry up. Hold up. Are you still drowning?
Okay, one.
No.
Yours.
I am? Okay. I'm be recording swimming.
Yeah? Okay, guys. So we're in the full breath. We're gonna raise out of you over there. And
3 feet?
3 feet.
Okay.
So
Or whatever.
it doesn't matter. So let's see if we can do it. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Jangan dekat no. Tidak.